Tennessee's first-of-its-kind GPS law was meant to keep the worst domestic violence offenders away from their victims. All the different stakeholders that we spoke to say they appreciate what this law is trying to accomplish, but they argue there's still too much confusion over how to make it work.
We lived in a constant state of fear, not knowing where my brother-in-law was or what harm he could do to my sister or our family.
Up until this very moment, Sean Varsos had spent nearly an hour outside his mother-in-law's home in Lebanon. Seconds after breaking in, he's seen chasing Debbie Cisco and Sean's wife, Marie Varsos.
Wilson County 911, where is your emergency?
There's a man trying to shoot a woman with a shotgun.
Gunfire woke up this quiet neighborhood, and by the time it was all over, Sean was dead, and so were both women.
She was simply overpowered and outgunned.
Telling this story has helped Alex Yon process the loss, but it also helped pass a bill that he believes could have saved his family.
I truly think that they'd be here and we wouldn't even be talking today.
What we are seeking to do with this bill is that we are requiring that one, aggravated domestic assault, that this GPS system has to be utilized. Two, it has to be warned.
Sean was out on bond in 2021 for strangling Marie weeks before his attack. This new bill would have required people like Sean, arrested on aggravated domestic violence charges, to wear a GPS device that they pay for. As it turns out, the word required, even after Representative Clay Doggett helped sign this bill into law, was still up for interpretation.
We've been getting multiple phone calls.
An audit by the Nashville District Attorney's Office uncovered that in the first month after this law went into effect, there were 55 suspects arrested for violent aggravated domestic charges, and 15 of them were released without the GPS monitor now required by law.
Yeah, it's discouraging to find out that there are victims that are out there, that their perpetrators are not being monitored.
In this case, judicial magistrates, for reasons that are still not clear, felt that 10 offenders still did not meet the criteria to require a GPS device, even though they were charged with qualifying crimes like aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, aggravated kidnapping, and strangulation.
One step further, it's murder. There's death involved. There could be serious bodily injury.
The law allows judges to release suspects on bond even if they can't afford the devices, as long as they're no longer seen as a threat. News Channel 5 legal analyst Nick Leonardo has long said this is where the state needs to find a way to pay for these devices so victim safety is not left up to chance.
The state could very well remedy this issue by also trying to provide some sort of funding.
Nashville's DA told us they found another 5 cases where bail bonding agents said they didn't know a GPS device was required. They managed to contact the bonding agents in time so these devices could be installed on each of these suspects, but this was after they were already released. Victim advocates say there has to be another way.
That is an enormous responsibility, and I think it's really important that every piece of the system takes that really seriously.
Becky Bullard and Nashville's Office of Family Safety pieced together this report on what could have been done different to save Marie and Debbie. GPS monitoring made the list, and Bullard says if it were up to her, bond companies would have nothing to do with these devices.
The bond system, being the way that it is, doesn't have an emphasis on victim safety. It's certainly around the offender appearing for their court dates, but there is not an inherent interest for victim safety within that structure.
It's that structure that's once again made headlines after Lauren Johansson's death. Her accused killer wore one of these GPS devices run by a bail bonding agent who had never done this type of work before.
We know that an offender can escalate their abuse very quickly, so our system needs to rapidly increase our response to these cases.
Representative Doggett says he's now considering changes to make language behind the law more clear, as well as creating new legislation meant to better vet these GPS monitoring companies. He's also interested in a policy where these GPS devices are installed before an offender is released from jail.
Because someone's life is depending upon you to make sure that you are monitoring that defendant.
Once again, this requires resources. But Leonardo says Metro Council can get the funding they need through a county resolution to prepare the sheriff's office for this new responsibility.
We don't want to count on defendants in our system to take themselves to electronic monitoring and to install a monitoring device, right? These are serious cases, and so we want this handled before they walk out of jail.
We're talking about a law that extends well beyond just Davidson County. It's tough to tell how many other suspects have gone without GPS monitoring, so while each county comes up with their own plan, Doggett knows that for the victims counting on these protections, every second matters. With News Channel 5 Investigates, I'm Levi Ismail.